3, 2.
Well, this is what you see is the Melbourne Cricket Ground, the famous Melbourne Cricket Ground where the Boxing Day Test match happened yesterday, and now today was the second day. It was a fabulous day of cricket. All you can see are those very big towers. They are the tallest towers in the world in a cricket ground. It's a different issue that no amount of light can actually make you play the bowling of James Pattinson and Peter Siddle today. On an average, they were bowling at 145. You know, the best part about this ground is this pitch that they played today is a portable pitch. Essentially what they do is that they make this pitch somewhere else and then they put it on the ground. So technically what they can have is a normal cricket game, and after that they can have a AFL, and then they can have a rugby game. I think such kind of pitch will work in India a lot, because on Indian grounds you not only have various sports, but you have funerals, you have weddings, you have fasts and various other things. So I think portable technology should be adopted in India for sure. The beautiful thing about this ground is that you could watch Tendulkar getting a 4-minute standing ovation, which was unbelievable. I've got goosebump pimples on my hand because you had 60,000 Australians and Indians waking up and standing up for 4 minutes to just applaud the entry of Sachin Tendulkar. You know, the best thing again is that you can actually have a cup of tea, come back, and your seat will still be there at the MCG, because there are 95,000 seating capacity. It is called the spiritual home of Australian cricket, not because of anything else, but because there are 6 bars and people start drinking at 9 AM in the morning and finish just now at 6 PM. That is why clearly spiritual is the name of this absolutely wonderful cricket stadium. Lastly, you can actually go to the loo, relax, and nothing will happen to your seat. So if you want your seat to be there and still watch the cricket, come to the Melbourne Cricket Ground. 3 more days of absolutely unbelievable Test cricket remaining. On the backdrop you also see the Rod Laver Arena. So in case you don't like cricket, you can come here a couple of weeks later to watch the Australian Open. Thank you very much.